All right, team, next up we have question number 9. You decided between two possible investment opportunities. Investment A is contracted to pay an interest at an APR of 3.2% compounded monthly. Investment B is contracted to pay an interest at an EAR of 3.24. Investment B was compounded quarterly. We're going to be answering 3 simple questions on this with some pretty advanced calculations, though. For investment A, we're going to be using the effect formula. We'll be taking that 0.032 as the percentage or nominal rate, and we'll be using 12 as our NPERY or year, giving us a 3.247 rate versus the 3.24, which is given to us in the problem. As you can see here, this one is slightly higher, and if we were going to choose based off this EAR only between these two, you would obviously take the higher one than the lower one. The third thing we're going to do in this problem, which isn't really stated, is we're going to create a future value. What we're going to do for that is we're going to take the 0.032, we divide that by 12, our NPER is going to say 12 again, and we're going to do something weird and give you a negative 100 present value, which will give us $103.25 in the future. From there, we're going to have to calculate our APR. For investment A, it already gives us it for 3.2%. For investment B, this is where this $103.25 comes into play. We're going to use our rate formula. 4 will be entered into the NPER. We're going to be using a negative 100 for the PV. The future value will be equal to that 103.25. The type will be set to 0 or end, and we're going to multiply times 4 again at the end to compensate for that quarterly compounding. Again, we see here for the APR, it's equal to 3.209, which is slightly higher than 3.200 APR for investment A. Which of the two should you choose to invest your money in, and why? Obviously, you'd be taking the 3.247, which is the highest percentage out of any of them, out of the EAR. So I would be selecting that one simply based on the fact that it's the largest, again, out of all 4 of those. Again, this is a little more confusing than the other ones. Things you have to watch out for. Make sure we're using the correct effect formula in question A, finding the future value so we can calculate the APR in question B. Again, thanks for watching.